Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Microsoft Store doesn't work in. So just please follow my steps one by one till the end. At the beginning we'll go here to the date and time and right click and we're going to click on adjust date and time here. And whenever at this page you go to set time zone automatically and make sure to toggle this on in here, and also for the set time automatically just make sure to make it on also. And whenever it's done here within the time zone in the time automatically, go and click on sync now, and wait a few seconds until it's completed. And now whenever it's done you can able to go and open the Microsoft Store. If it doesn't work in, let's go to the method number 2, which is clear the Windows cache. So click over here in the Windows button and search for WS reset, and we click on this option, which is run command. Just click on it and wait a few seconds until it's opening. Now whenever it's done, as you can see, the Microsoft Store opened successfully that way. And so that's how is the method to work or to launch the Microsoft Store. So at the end, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.